Relationship goals that will make your love stronger. Most people want to have love relationships. They want to love and to be loved. Relationships need maintenance. In this article, I would like to suggest certain relationship goals that will make your love stronger. I suggest these relationship tips. 1. Communication. 2. Make sure you understand each other. 3. Avoid anger. 4. Give your relationship a priority. 5. Forgiveness. 6. Spend a good time together. 7. Keep dating your partner. Communication. Communication is one of the most important keys to keeping in mind. Good and open communication should be one of your top goals, as well as being open and honest.
Make sure you understand each other. Often, relationships are spoiled due to misunderstanding, misinterpretation, or not listening.
Avoid anger. Avoid getting angry and impatient. This might be not so easy sometimes, but remember, this is someone close to you that you are hurting. Give your relationship a priority. With our incredibly busy lives, it can be easy to neglect the needs of our relationship. This is not the correct thing to do. As with everything that is important in life, time and attention are essential for making a relationship last. Forgiveness. One of the main keys for maintaining a good and loving bond between people is forgiveness. For most people, this is a tough goal, which they need to handle. Spend a good time together. Find the time to spend some good and quality time with your partner, husband, or wife. Enjoying each other's company, doing something fun together, and having a good time together bring happiness, positivity, and more love into your life. Keep dating your partner. After a long time together, there is a tendency to take the relationship for granted and do nothing about it. This is a bad idea. It is one of the major reasons for growing apart. Thanks for watching.